Hey there, it's Bootzone here. This is a Miele Honeycomb Care W3240 washing machine, and I'm going to show you today what to do if you see this check drain light coming on. In here behind the soap drawer is a little yellow thing. Pop that out. Looks like this. All that does is open this, so you could use a knife or anything else. In here you've got the sump plug and the pump, and so open that up and water comes out. Not very much in this case. Let's see what's in here. We've got a little plastic thing from a shirt, the little collar stiffener, and a little plastic something else. Looks like a toothpick, a little bit gross. And then we've got some bits and bobs in there. It looks like it has been rusty. At the back we've got the impeller blades. Into the side, in that side hole there isn't anything, so let's close that up again. Now those two little pieces there are enough to interrupt those impeller blades from going around and draining the machine. So if there is an issue with the machine not draining, this could be the answer. Screw it together as tight as it'll go and keep the door shut. I'm outside. If you were inside, you could put a baking tray or a saucepan or something under that before you open it, but I'm outside, so it's okay. Then put this back in here and close that up, and that's it. That's your drain checked. It's also known as the coin basket. It's known as the fluff filter, the lint filter, or any of those kinds of things, but that's where it is on a Miele Honeycomb Care W3240. Thanks for watching. See you later.